Just giving it a second, guys. Waiting for everyone to get in. What's going on, Scrappy? Thanks, man. What's going on, TK? NK is in the building. I like that emoji. Yo, Colin's in the building. One of the YouTube members. Shout out to Colin for supporting the channel. Guys, what are we trading today? Let's check out hot Mullen is. How hot Mullen is on today's trade, guys. Like I was saying, man, we're not really worried about what Mullen is, the price of Mullen on a day-to-day basis, guys. We're worried about the catalyst, the upcoming catalyst, the major, the most important things, guys, because as you can see here, off of great news here in Mullen, we'll push the price up. We did hear that Hindenburg bull crap of them actually spreading false information, saying the battery testing was fake and this and that. Once again, Mullen proving the doubters wrong. We're looking at this thing as a long-term type of play, so price here today is surely not going to be the price next year, and that's the most important fact about Mullen, guys. Shout out to Doc is in the building. TK say I just bought auto instantly tank. Huh. Hey, I be feeling like that sometimes. I be feeling like, man, maybe the market is just targeting me, so when I buy in, it drops. Shout out to Lisa. Lisa's in the building. Price target for Mullen. It all depends. Give me a date. End of day price target. I'm seeing like 132-ish. End of day. Clean 132 floor. I don't think we're dropping under that. That will be strange if we do go under the 132. But he says end of the year 2022. If everything goes accordingly, I can see Mullen here end of the year breaking 52-week high. That which is standing at what, 1590? If everything goes well, and I'm talking Fortune 500 companies lining up like dominoes after we hear the first one. EV sales should ramp up due to the price of gas at the pump. Be looking out for that. I mean, if Tesla have great earnings, it is going to shed over to the EV sector as a whole. I mean, Mullen, guys, just be prepared. IMPP end of the year. IMPP end of the year. IMPP pulled a fast one on us today, huh? Right, guys? Pre-market was looking swell. Very swell, if you ask me. Yesterday we kicked it off pretty fine. HUSA actually became today's fan favorite. But end of the year IMPP, depending on how things go, if they continue to use those vessels to get around sanctions, I can see IMPP reaching those $2 levels comfortably with support if we don't see another dilution, which we will. Which we will, guys. Listen, a dilution here in IMPP is inevitable. They need it. They're going to continue to acquire more vessels, so that is going to continue to happen here in IMPP. SBEV, Sean Dick. Sean. Buddy Sean. Let's check out C Change really quickly, guys. Now, same thing going on with BBIG. Is the same approach that is going to be having with SEAC. They're going to be using the shell of C Change just so they can trade their trailer shares on the American market, so they can just get past the IPO, the whole lengthy time of IPO, it costs much more. And currently, guys, we're buying into Triller, if you ask me, not SEAC. We do have another filing coming up that is due third quarter of the year. Now, yes, we had two of them. Yes, two of them have failed, but 3 times a charm, right? Sean, want to check out SBEV really quickly? Guys, if you haven't smashed that thumbs up button, take the time out to do so now. We currently got 39 people watching and 17 thumbs up. Not forget to smash that like button on your way in. But SBEV, let's check out the day chart here really quick. Yes, let's take the SAR off. Yeah, SBEV looks like it is going to see another drop, guys. Seems as though that we may be seeing those $1.90 levels once again here in SBEV early this month. Let's go back to the 5-piece. Here, things quite slow though. Things did slow down a lot here. As you can see here, volume is extremely low, only 31,000 in volume. While the volume is continuing to be low here in SBEV, that is going to play a major role in price action here. Let's take a look at, let's go back to mulling around its close here. Yeah, guys, I feel as though that we will be close above $1.30. We start to see that retracement here now. Currently on the fund flow today, though, we do see a lot of orders being filled above that selling price. That's a very great sign, guys. Buyers are outmatching sellers by a huge margin today. All we needed to know, see some more data on those batteries. I'm talking about EV/battery options. Check out Ader. Now let's look at the 2-hour on Ader really quickly. Okay, so we're not seeing too much of a fluctuation in volume right now in Ader. Fund flows isn't looking too swell either. I mean, small gaps, but it is a gap though. Danger sign for ATER is if this thing breaks the $2.70 levels. We may be coming back towards those 210s, guys. 210s. AMC, GME thoughts. AMC and GME, let's check it out. Let's run AMC first. That retracement. I mean, we can blame it on the markets though, right? Let's look at the 15 on this puppy. Where is she? There she goes, still in the downtrend currently on day 4. AMC. Got 5 minutes left of trading though. Volume seems very, very wonderful. We hit over 100 million so far. Like I was saying, guys, history is seeming as though that it's repeating itself. This is right around the same time AMC was seeing huge amounts of volume as well as GM. Late May, early June last year. I mean, GameStop actually blew up much before AMC, but we're talking the June run here, 2021. It is looking as though, man, that volume tells a lot. That volume tells a lot, man. Let's look at the day chart really quickly. Volume coming in yesterday, 89 million. Well, Friday, Thursday, 71. Here, 53. Now, AMC did spend a lot of time under 30 million, guys, here on the downtrend. But if we go back to June, this same time last year, end of May, early June, AMC was seeing those well in the high 100 millions, all right, in volume. But to see that we cracked 100 million today, guys, is giving me a very great gut feeling that history may be repeating itself. Let's go take a brief look and check out GME. We got 4 minutes left of trading. Anything you guys want me to take a look at towards the close, just to give you my opinion on if it's going to be a solid hold overnight or what. Guys, you got 4 minutes left to drop those tickers. After that, it's aftermarket, and we will continue to run this thing for the last 15 minutes of the aftermarket trading. So, guys, I want to give a big shout out to everyone that did come out to the live trading session. Also, let's give a brief big thanks to those that did leave a thumbs up on the video, guys. We currently got 31 thumbs up with 37 people watching, guys. Like I said, if you didn't leave a thumbs up on the video just yet, please take the time out now to do so. But GME as well, seeing a nice volume up trend. We see 14 million here. We do see a little slowdown on today's trade, but last year around June, early June and end of May, guys, we did see a nice rally to the upside for GME. But like I was saying, guys, GME rally did start much before AMC's, and that was actually early 2021. And if you want to be technical, guys, we could count June, well, really September of 2020. Things really kicked off here for GME. So keep your eyes out on these plays, guys. We're starting to see, like I was saying, fire spark under the meme stocks once again. Let's check out BODY, guys. BODY is still seeing another strong day. We did see a retracement here, but we did bounce back. Let's take a brief look and check out the 3-minute chart, guys. As you can see here, right at the open, we did see that drop in price, drastic drop, but making a huge recovery to $2.33, currently sitting under $2.25, sitting at a mere $2.22. Things are looking pretty good for this play. If you ask me, we did see a lot of orders being filled under the selling price, but guys, that really doesn't have too much sway on the share price, in case you guys didn't know that. We're looking at here bid to ask ratio. So yeah, we're seeing a lot of orders being filled under that selling price. Ultimately, volume looks nice and spicy, 2.35 million. Currently, that is a nice volume for BODY on today's trading. Let's jump back to this day chart. As you can see here, guys, this stock is continuing to push up. As far as the volume goes, guys, we're seeing a ladder climb here in volume. Okay, slow pace wins the race, and that is what BODY is doing. Like I was telling you guys, if we can break that $2.29, sky is the limit, and we did break that here on today's trading. So next level we have here is that 220, that 245. Okay, if we do see that volume like we did see here on today's trading, it will be a piece of cake. Now we are at the close, guys. Let's run over here and check out Mullen. Mullen closing here at that $1.40. RDBX. Check out RDBX real quick. We're starting to see a little pop. RDBX. Seeing that cool down phase here in RDBX, yes. I mean, let's go to the 15. Quickly. Just got hammered right at the open. No, we need to look at this thing on an hour chart overall. RDBX may be falling towards that 620 here. Maybe falling towards 620 here, guys. Early trading tomorrow. If we don't see a reversal around those levels, 580, here we come. Taking a brief look at that turnover rate, extremely high. We saw a lot of profit taking going across the board here on today's trade. 442% on that turnover rate. Nice and high. Mullen closing up 45%. Nice, strong close. 52-week high here for RDBX is $27.22. Will we ever reach those levels again this year? It's a possibility, guys. We do see RDBX seeing strange volatility. Things like that can cause a stock to actually start trading beyond its fundamentals. Do I believe that RDBX as a company is worth $27 a share? No, I do not. But things can get very hot here in Redbox really quick. Doc, want to check out Riot? We're looking at here's the 1 hour interval, but I think it'd be best if we check this thing out on the 15. Let's pull up the MAC. No, we'll go with the RSI on this one, sitting here close to those oversold levels here. Right there. Let's go back to the check. 52-week low was just recently hit here on 4th. Slowly rising volume. We're starting to see that climb volume here in RIOT, but will we see another retracement? I do believe that this thing is going to drop back towards those $6.80 levels. Looking here at that turnover rate, isn't too high. Fund flow currently. We do see a back and forth battle here all month, huh? Here on the weeks. Yeah, RETO. Oops, RIT. RIT. I think I'm talking about a whole different other play here, guys. I don't mind. Yeah, this thing looks like it may be falling towards that 680 here. Yeah, it's looking like we may be dropping back towards those 680s here, guys. Doc, are you in this play, man? Got 31 thumbs up, guys. Don't forget, if you haven't smashed that like button already, the time to do so is now. Let's check out Mullen once again here. Aftermarket hours. You're gonna take a check out the 3 since we just opened. No, we'll go with the 1. We will go with the 1. So far here in the aftermarket hours, we do see nice volume. Close to 1 million shares. No, close to 500,000 shares already here in the aftermarket hours. And the Yangs are looking beautiful. It's looking bullish here in the aftermarket hours. Currently looking at the SAR, guys. We do see the SAR under the candlesticks. For now, we may be pushing towards that $1.48 here in the aftermarket hours. It is looking very, very good on that note. Depending on how this thing opens up tomorrow is going to be very important. If this thing doesn't hold up, guys, we may see A lot of profit taking going on tomorrow, but so far things did hold up pretty well, guys. Turnover rate only 134.57%, and Mullen tends to have a very extremely high turnover rate, guys. So to see this thing actually under 200 is a very great sign for tomorrow's trade. Let's take a brief look and check out HUSA. Check out HUSA here, guys. HUSA did see a retracement as well. What are we on? The 1 minute chart now. We don't want that here. We want the 15-minute chart. Let's go to the 1 hour. Turnover rate was extremely high. That thing was picking up here at the close. Fund flow rate now, not too big of a deal here on that, but the whole sector did see a retracement. IMPP actually going from hugely in the green to closing here in the red. Huge turnaround on that. If we drop this here, let's go to the chart here in the aftermarket. I was quite slow here. Let's see. Volume not high at all here in the aftermarket hours for HUSA. We're starting to see things slow down here. As you can see here, volume so far is only 140,000. Volume, not seeing a huge lift here right away in aftermarket hours for HUSA. We may see things actually bleed out here in tomorrow's pre-market, especially if we see things continue to drop here in today's aftermarket, guys. We may see a huge mass of profit taking tomorrow's pre-market. Shout out to everyone that did leave a thumbs up on this video. Now we have 40 thumbs up, currently 35 people watching. Don't forget to share this video on StockTwits, guys, if you are a StockTwits user. Let's go back to we want INDO. INDO did see a little rise here. INDO did see that gap up here in the pre-market hours, but retracement here, fourth quarter of trading, like the whole sector did receive. Like I was saying, guys, if you look at the markets as a whole, things did finish in the rear. Things were looking great at the beginning, but things did turn around with much more decliners than advancers. If we look here at the after hours list here, currently after hours, what is running, we do see Target running here at after market hours, or did that just flip? TNXP is pushing as well here. Aftermarket hours, guys, are you looking at this? TNXP is pushing like wildfire. To highlight this, man, let's see what's going on here. Volume is looking extremely high, guys. As you can see here, volume is only 4.85 million, and in this 9 minutes of loan, 320,000 in volume, and it is continuing to rise here in TNXP, guys. You may want to get over here and check this out. Let's go to the 1 minute chart to break things up better. Currently, the SAR is sitting heavily under the candlesticks. I think Mullen is an investment, but I do believe Mullen is a great holdover. the overnight for those that is looking to swing trade it. TNXP though, looking great. Let's check it out, man. Let's see here. Yeah, guys, I see this thing hitting $2.90. It got a great chance to hit that 290 here in the aftermarket hours, guys. Let's go back to Mullen really quickly. Let's drop this here. I see this thing hitting 290 here in the aftermarket hours. Let's go back to Mullen really quickly because a lot of people are excited over that. Yep, we're getting towards that 290, man. We hit 284, 285, 283. Looks like we might be hitting that 290, guys. You might want to check this spicy mofo out. Seeing orders being filled above that selling price, that's for sure. That's why the stock price is pushing so strangely. So 290 easy, guys. I'm looking at these orders come through 290, no problem. Don't forget to leave that thumbs up, guys, if you already haven't. Just going off this star. Maybe go to all hours. 24. Yeah, guys, keep your eyes out on this one. Mullen trying to hold up. I think it's a nice hold over the overnight though. If this thing does hold up overnight, tomorrow is going to be a nice bullish day, guys. Microsoft, huge turnover one day. What is going on? Microsoft, huh? Nah, not so shabby. All three of them did. Target is in trouble. Well, so guys, I'm gonna let you go. Thanks for coming out to the live stream. I want to give everyone a big thanks. So with that being said, may the gains be with you.